Hi everyone, this is Shivangi. Welcome back to our channel. I use a lot of makeup on a regular basis, guys, and using good quality cleansers and face wash is an essential part of my skincare routine. In today's video, I'll talk about a face wash. It's a new launch and I've been testing it out for about 3 weeks now, and I especially like to use it after taking off my makeup because it cleanses the skin really well. This face wash is from Mamaearth, guys. It's their latest vitamin C foaming face wash with vitamin C and turmeric. This product is free of all the nasties and toxins, and it is made up of some really good natural ingredients. Mamaearth is also officially certified by PETA as cruelty free, and they do recycle more plastic than they use. It's also an Indian brand, guys. That's why I support it all the more. This is how the bottle looks like, guys, and it comes with this protector for the silicone head, and these silicone brushes are really soft and gentle on the skin. The good thing is that this silicone thing is removable, so for hygiene you can always wash it after using it and then put it back. The bottle and the packaging of this product looks exactly like their foaming micellar water packaging, and this product as well is something which I've been using pretty regularly, guys, and it's a good product as well. I made a video on this foaming micellar water as well. I'll link it somewhere here. If you want to check it out, you can watch that video. Now, what I really like about this product is the silicone head. The brush of the silicone head is really soft and it is gentle on the skin, but at the same time it takes out every single bit of dirt or any impurity which is there on your skin. Now, though it looks like a small bottle, but it gives you about 250 pumps. If you use it regularly, it can last you for about 3 months, which makes it value for money. Now, coming to the ingredients of this product, it's got vitamin C and turmeric in it. Vitamin C and turmeric, both these ingredients help majorly in brightening up dull skin. Turmeric is also antibacterial, guys. If you've got any sort of infection or impurities on your skin, or if you've got sensitivity, redness on your skin, turmeric soothes all of that and heals all of that. Using this product is easy breezy, guys. After I take off my makeup, I press the pump and apply the foam on my skin and start rubbing the silicone brush head on my skin in circular motion. This action ensures that any sort of dirt or debris of makeup that you've got on your face get cleared out from your skin and your face is properly cleansed. After rubbing my skin with the silicone head for about a minute, I just wash it off with plain water. Another thing which I really like about this product is that though my skin is dry, it does not feel drying. My skin feels clean, fresh and hydrated. It really does not strip off the moisture from my skin. I really like using this product, guys, and it's actually a lot of fun using the silicone brush head. It's just so easy and simple and quick. If you're looking for a face wash which cleanses your skin well, which is gentle on the skin, which is safe for the skin, and at the same time which does not strip the moisture off from your skin, then you can definitely give this product a shot, guys. It's a good product. And as a matter of fact, even their foaming micellar water is something which I use on a regular basis, and this product as well works really well for me. You can check out this product as well, guys. Both these products are easily available on Amazon, Nykaa and Mamaearth's official website. And as always, if you're placing an order from their official website, you can use my code Shivangi2020 to get a flat 20% off your purchase. And with that, we've come to an end of this video, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed watching it. If you don't follow me on Instagram, then ensure that you do. I keep posting a lot of makeup related content on my Instagram handle as well. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel already, then please subscribe to our channels. We've got 3 channels, Hindi, English and Bengali. And we're trying to, build a really happy and positive community here on YouTube. And your support would mean the world to us. On that note, I'm gonna end this video right here. Take care of yourself, guys, and stay safe. I shall see you in the next one. Bye-bye. Mwah.